Are you looking? In recent years, the demand for folding shower seats has surged, especially among the elderly, disabled, and anyone looking to enhance bathroom safety and comfort. Their space-saving design and added support make them ideal for modern homes. This guide reviews the best folding shower sheets, evaluating each for build quality, ease of installation, weight capacity, materials like teak and stainless steel. List number: Owen Home Care Bathroom Safety Shower Chair for Elderly and Disabled, Stainless and Aluminum Foldable Teak. The Moen Home Care Folding Shower Chair offers a premium blend of aesthetics and functionality. Made with durable stainless steel and naturally water-resistant teak wood, this seat supports up to 400 pounds, making it ideal for elderly or mobility-challenged users. Its folding design tucks neatly against the wall, preserving space in smaller showers. ADA compliant and built with rust-resistant hardware, it's designed for long-lasting performance. The installation process is simple, and once mounted, it feels exceptionally stable. The modern yet classic design complements most bathroom decors, while the slatted teak surface prevents water buildup. With Moen's trusted reputation in home fixtures, this chair is a standout for its luxury finish and safety-first construction. This number: upgraded 20 inches ADA-compliant folding teak shower seat wall-mounted. This upgraded 20 inches folding teak shower bench offers more seating room than standard models, perfect for users needing extra comfort or space. The ADA-compliant construction ensures both safety and ease of use, and the high-quality teak resists moisture and mold naturally. The stainless steel mounting brackets are corrosion-resistant and hold up to 400 pounds. Its sleek, wide profile not only looks modern, but also provides secure seating. The fold-up function is smooth and doesn't require much force, making it user-friendly for seniors. Easy to install on most wall surfaces. It's a solid choice for homeowners or caregivers looking for a reliable shower seat with a little extra surface area. Ideal for both residential and commercial use, this seat combines functionality with timeless teak beauty. List number: upgraded 18-inch ADA-compliant folding teak shower seat. Wall-mounted, slightly smaller than its 20-inch sibling, this upgraded 18-inch teak shower seat offers all the same high-quality features in a more compact footprint. It's an excellent choice for tighter shower spaces or those who prefer a sleeker, more minimalistic look. Like the 20-inch version, it boasts ADA compliance and high weight capacity, with stainless steel wall mounts that resist rust and corrosion. The solid teak construction adds a touch of luxury and remains cool and comfortable against the skin, even in hot water environments. It folds up effortlessly when not in use and feels sturdy when locked into the down position. Installation is straightforward with proper wall studs or anchors. This is a strong choice for anyone seeking an elegant, durable, and space-conscious folding shower seat. List number: folding shower seat and bench wall-mounted, shower chair foldable, shower stool collapsible. This multi-purpose folding shower bench offers versatility at an affordable price point. It combines a practical design with decent weight capacity and works well in most home bathrooms. The bench features a waterproof seat and aluminum frame that resists rust and mildew. Though it may not have teak wood or ADA compliance, its sleek, foldable design is suitable for everyday use by individuals needing light to moderate support. The installation process is beginner-friendly and it folds up flat against the wall to maximize space. It's an excellent option for smaller bathrooms or secondary showers. While it might not be the most luxurious pick on the list, its ease of use and practical construction make it a great budget-friendly option for those prioritizing functionality over premium materials. List number: 17.5-inch folding shower seat wall-mounted. Foldable shower bench, fold-down shower seat. Compact and efficient, this 17.5-inch wall-mounted folding shower seat is ideal for those with limited shower space. With a rust-resistant frame and a durable plastic or composite seat, it provides reliable support while keeping cost and maintenance low. It supports up to 350 pounds and folds away easily when not in use. While it doesn't feature teak wood or high-end finishes, it's extremely functional and suits minimalist or utilitarian bathroom designs. Installation is quick, and it feels solid when mounted correctly. This is a great solution for caregivers or households needing an affordable, no-fuss shower bench that delivers consistent performance. Its compact size doesn't compromise stability, making it one of the best values in space-saving shower safety.